I'm Lily from Breathe Physical Therapy and Wellness. I'm going to do a quick product review on this Body Sport foam roll. Here we actually use this a lot for a lot of different reasons. We work with patients pre-postpartum, any sort of pelvic health issue, as well as normal orthopedic physical therapy ailments. But with pre and post pregnancy, a lot of times women have hip pain, specifically along the SIJ area. A lot of the times that actually is due to the tension in the muscles. So I personally use this foam roll to help decrease some of that tension and to allow the patient to do that at home. So I specifically show them how to roll out their glutes, just like this, for about 30 seconds, 2 times each side to help decrease that tension. And then that helps decrease the pain in the SI joint. And then also, we deal with a lot of moms carrying babies after they give birth, and that causes this roundness in the front of your shoulders, causing compression, neck pain, neck tightness, all of that. So another thing that we do here is we use the foam roll to help with stretching your pecs and then creating that thoracic expansion. So in order to stretch your pecs with this, you would just lay on the foam and then make sure your neck's supported and let your body hang. And this is just a really good way to decrease the tension along the front of your chest. And then in order to work into that thoracic expansion and extension, you can then turn it the other way and then just work on opening up. Super quick and easy. Takes 2 minutes. Moms, after giving birth, plenty of time to do when babies are taking naps. So I would definitely recommend this product to any PT clinic, specifically if you work with women pre and post pregnancy.